Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how rain happens? Well, let's launch on a fascinating journey to discover the secrets of rain and how clouds are formed from evaporation. Rain is like nature's way of giving us a big drink of water. But where does the water come from? It actually starts on the ground and in bodies of water like lakes, rivers, and even the mighty oceans. When the sun shines down on these sources of water, it makes them warm. When the water gets warm, something magical happens. It turns into invisible water vapor. Just like how a puddle dries up after a sunny day, the water from the ground and the water in rivers and lakes evaporate, which means they turn into gas and disappear into the air. But where does this invisible water vapor go? It rises up into the air around us, becoming a part of something called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is like a big blanket that surrounds the Earth. It's made up of different gases and tiny particles, and it's where the weather happens. Now, let's talk about clouds. Have you ever seen those big fluffy things in the sky that look like cotton candy or marshmallows? Those are clouds. Clouds are made up of millions and millions of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. But how do these tiny droplets or crystals come together to form clouds? It all starts with the invisible water vapor in the air. When the air gets cool, the water vapor begins to change back into liquid water. It's like when you blow on a mirror, and your warm breath turns into tiny droplets of water. As the air cools down, the invisible water vapor turns into visible water droplets. These droplets are so tiny and light that they float in the air, just like a feather gently floating down from the sky. When lots and lots of these tiny water droplets come together, they form a cloud. It's like a big family of water droplets holding hands and sticking together. The more droplets there are, the bigger the cloud becomes. That's why clouds can be so big and fluffy. Now, here's the exciting part. When a cloud gets full of these water droplets, it's like a big raindrop party up there. The water droplets start bumping into each other, joining together, and getting bigger and heavier. It's like a dance in the sky. Eventually, the water droplets in the cloud become so heavy that they can't stay up in the air anymore. They start falling from the cloud, and that's when it rains. Those falling droplets are what we call raindrops. They bring the water from the cloud down to the ground, giving life to plants, filling up rivers, and making everything fresh and clean. So, the next time you see rain falling from the sky, remember that it's the result of water evaporating from the ground and turning into invisible water vapor. That vapor then forms clouds, and when those clouds get full, they release the water as raindrops. Rain is a wonderful gift from nature that helps us grow and thrive. Keep looking up at the sky and observing the amazing world around you. Who knows, you might even spot a cloud turning into rain right before your eyes.